En fumette en 20 minutes, j'ai croisé Jimo au sauce. Y'a de la beuh dans la boîte à gomme et ça clame l'innocence. Ça compte dans les rescats, même plus si on est dans le bon sens. Cerritas amigo está detenido al lado. Dinero no compra la palabra de mi lado. Familia no toca, familia nunca nombrado. Familia cerrada y el pinco pequeño era raro, me miraban todo el rato.
Hi guys, as you can tell, I haven't got growing my hair out because I need to make an oral video, and I can't make my brand videos if I don't have facial hair. I'm going to start putting a lot more focus into the brand. We got skull caps on the way. It arrives I think today or tomorrow. I'll be pushing that all summer. Then we're gonna have boxers releasing as well. Right now I'm at the Lexus dealership. My sister is grabbing this. I don't know why she wanted a hybrid car. That's my younger sister.
Yeah, I was gonna say, by the way, I'm not the sister.
That's my younger sister. Her S7's over there. And then mine's over there.
All the way.
But my older sister, she's grabbing a Lexus. I just have to figure out what it is.
UX 258.
Has red guts too. Look.
Yeah.
Look at the inside.
Red interior.
Red guts. Everyone likes red guts. Mama, you know what's so insane?
Yeah.
We all have red guts now.
Oh, yeah.
And you know what I was looking at earlier? It's nice, I like it. As long as you like it. But my oldest brother, it's cute, it matches you. My oldest brother, he has a Tundra, it's a V8. She has a S7, which is another V8. I have a C8, which is a V8. My older brother has a C7, which is another V8. She got a hybrid. I mean, it's matched her, you know? But a whole lot of V8s. And then my little brother, he's getting a V8 as well. Right? What V8 are you getting?
An AMG isn't a V8 though. That's a
Yeah, it
V8.
is. Why would you get a V8?
The AMG C43 is
You don't have to get a C43, you can get like a 63.
yeah.
But yeah, a whole lot of V8s and then we're gonna go V10s. We still need to get her a McLaren. She went to Florida and got sick, and I had to manage the business all on my own. So next time, make sure your co-founder doesn't get sick. You have to get them medicine. You have to make sure they have medicine. If I had to manage it all myself, it's been very stressful. But right now, I'm gonna be able to streamline a lot more of the things with the business so that I could focus more on my e-commerce brand, because I genuinely love my e-commerce brand. Like, if I can make 100 bands a month consistently, not if, because I'm gonna be doing it this summer, I'll be doing 100 bands a month off my e-commerce brand, that will be ultimate like bliss. And then she has her e-commerce brand as well. So this year is gonna be beautiful. Like, when I end this year off, I'm already knowing I'm just gonna be at the top of the balcony. I'm just gonna be like,
One of
yes,
those.
yes, yeah, no, I can Dubai. I already planned exactly what I want to buy properties wise as well. But yeah guys, this is just a random day in the life. I'm probably gonna connect this to the vlog of this weekend, where we're gonna be doing like a little barbecue. We're gonna be going outside with my friends, cars, might go on a yacht. I don't know if we're, yeah, maybe on Friday or Saturday or Sunday, I don't know. But I'm probably gonna connect this to the whole week vlog. So today is Wednesday. I have a couple of sales calls to do today. I have a couple of things to manage. She just got back yesterday, so it's gonna be a lot easier to manage because she could manage all the little bullshit that I've been dealing with. And yeah guys, I will see you in, do you have anything to say? You wanna talk to them?
No, nah.
Nothing? Over 50,000 people are gonna see this. What do you
We're
have
all
to
gonna go on an insane run. We're all. Just be ready to see your whole For You page. Us three.
say? Have you been staying consistent?
Here and there, you know.
Kind of?
But honestly.
Hell yeah. That was getting his, that was Aura Maxing.
Wait, Squeezer, you need to know something.
What?
I found out the most remote thing today.
What?
Guess what? So Dawud comes up to me. He's like, so you guys are gonna go to Eid dinner. I'm like, who's you guys? Where are you? It's prom today. Bro's going to prom on Eid with a hijab.
With the what?
No.
With the what? On Eid? No. Diabolical, this is not happening. Guys, we do not support this behavior. I don't support this behavior one bit. I don't know, wait, who are you talking? Are you talking about the one that you showed me?
No, she's not actually. I'm not going on here. She just got me a ticket, okay, guys? Like, this is not gonna be in a vlog because.
No, it definitely is. Editor, keep this motherfucker in. What's her name? So her parents can watch this
Fatima.
video.
Remember that one video we made? It was a shaving video?
No, shut up.
Fatima.
It's not Fatima. Are you talking to me, bro? He showed me some chopped cheese a while ago, and he said he's gonna take this chopped cheese. He was asking me if I should take this chopped cheese or this other chopped cheese. What'd you say?
50-50.
Okay,
But
wait,
like,
is
you know,
it-
I kind of flopped on the other one because she was like, no, I have no plan to go to. Bro, you took too long to sign the form, so how's
Wait,
that my fault?
So you're actually going with the second one?
Yeah, but like, not like really. I'm just going to get photos and, you know,
Oh, we gotta
have
talk
a
to
fun
him.
time.
I don't know what he's doing. We gotta talk to you. You are not going. You will not be going.
Guys, be tuned in for my Instagram probably tonight or tomorrow. Get some fire pictures, you know.
And you're gonna be going with who?
honestly, me, myself, and I, and all my friends, you know. It's
So
gonna
what
be a
time are
good
you going at?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. Isn't it like 4 p.m. right now?
3 p.m. currently. I actually timed it out.
So do you have anything to say to him?
No.
Nothing at all?
I'm just disappointed.
Me too.
Like the days being on the same exact day was a coincidence. You know, I
And
can't really do
like
anything
a
about
week
it.
ago, I sent him an Instagram reel saying, "Don't go to province
Very
tomorrow."
unfunny, but you know, it's like
Guys, this is why you gotta guide your little sibling. Sometimes I'm dealing with the business and I don't have enough time to talk to him, and then he does random things. Like, don't be like him, guys. Only start posting TikToks because of him. But other than for that,
yeah, you know, this year has been a decent year. Like pretty, like I haven't really been taking it that serious. 20 M's on the dash on TikTok, maybe another 20 M's on the
how much
IG
bread
dash.
made?
Like a decent amount. My brother gave me the brand.
How much did you make this year?
Like probably like kind of like 20-30 racks.
20-30 racks?
Yeah.
Hell
This year
yeah.
is gonna be like.
How much you want to end this year on?
Prediction of this year, at least let's say
100 ball?
let's go 150. Honestly,
Okay.
that's pretty regular.
Okay, 150. So in the next 7 months, you gotta do 130K.
Yeah,
Okay.
100%.
Alright guys, we will catch you at, I will see you guys the next time. You guys will see. It'll probably be at the barbecue. I don't know. Alright guys.
So I get my wisdom teeth out, and we get the craziest collab.
How much horsepower is it pushing right now?
500 horsepower. Hell yeah, bro. What's up with y'all? My name's Swazo. We pop our shit all year long.
All year
We
long.
run the city.
Not just the summer, all year long.
All year long. That's the next shit popper.
All year long. Renzo in this bitch. Remember the name.
Yeah.
Just now.
Yeah.
You guys don't even want to know who's recording.
Shit, man. What's good with it, bro? Shouting 2TW, bro. Bro, popping out shit, bro. You already know what it is, man. You already know. Hey, fucking
How much
hell.
is the car pushing?
900 horsepower? 900 fucking horsepower. Gap anything on the street, bro. You know what it is.
Get drag
Hell
SVJs over here. We
That's
drag
easy,
SVJs.
easy,
How many
bro.
do you think you could gap him?
Oh
How many do you
God,
think you
oh
could gap him?
God. Who wants to race? Who wants to race, bro?
Nobody.
Who
Don't
wants
pink
to
slip for pink slip. So the guy was recording for me. His name's Shayan. Okay. I was on the phone with him 3 months ago. I have a mentorship called Creators Blueprint. I scale people's content, right? He hopped on the phone. He said, "Yo, I have a meme page. It's doing like a couple 100 million views, but it's not really like making the monetization part." No, that. And he said, "Yo, I want to travel the world. All I want to do is travel the world and make content." Right? 2 weeks later, he links up with another creator. Where were you at 2 weeks?
2 weeks ago? Yeah. China.
Where were you before that?
Vancouver.
Where were you before that?
San Diego.
Where were you before that?
Calgary. And then we had a Europe tour. So we went
before that?
all over Europe.
And he told me this shit 3 months ago. He's been traveling for the last 3 months. I'm telling you guys, visualization, manifest. But I swear to God, I had a call with him 3 months ago.
I got my wisdom teeth out. That's why I got an ice pack. Yo, put that in, okay? You're not gonna be like, yo, what the fuck?
But I'm saying though, the power of just speaking it out loud and knowing what you want. Because I'm telling you, he didn't know what he wanted to do. He just said, I want to travel the world.
How's that been pushing?
And the last 3 months, he's been fucking traveling the world. What do you mean? He said he wanted to go to China, and then he fucking ended up in China. Like, what? Like, what? You can't tell me this shit is fake, bro. Like, what? He said that shit and he got it. And it was easy. The next week he was in China, bro.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you. Easy.
Dude, what did you do? Dude, I got anxious.
You kind of had a little too much.
Shit must be connected to this.
Not practical
gang.
at all.
Good.
Environment, hell yeah. What y'all boys been on?
I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, what's
Some
good,
of us are turned,
What's
some of
going
us are
on,
like
bro?
medium. You know what I'm saying?
Over here buying bottles.
Ah, yo, you said. Yeah. You guys need to see some crazy shit tonight.
Say something to the vlog. I want to put my shit
Live life.
Get some food for the barbecue real quick. I got steak and shrimp already. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. I don't know what they're doing.
I know the perfect buns to get too.
Like, you talking about buns? Damn, buns.
The bread's over there.
What are you talking about? He said he wants to get greens.
Eggs. Yo, what? Yo, you know? Okay, no.
He said he
when you
wants
cook
to
the
get
egg to a
asparagus.
weight where it's
What
still
the
like
fuck you
yolky
mean
on the
asparagus?
inside, on a burger.
We need sides on it. We need
He
at
said
least.
asparagus.
We need.
Fuck no.
We need our green
You don't want a
shots.
yolky egg?
Bro,
Fry
we're
the
gonna be
egg.
the club
It's like
public.
sunny side
We're gonna
up.
be the club
People that are
party
watching
shit,
this, they
bro.
know.
We're gonna
Fry
be
the egg,
gassy
fry it to a
shit.
point where it's still yolky on the inside. So when you bite into the fucking egg,
Bro,
it
Sunnyside
leaks
like-
out the burger. And it's like, yo, I'm telling you right now, it's the best egg you ever had.
Me personally, I don't like no slimy shit coming out my fucking burger.
You don't like Saucy's burger? Fuck that. You don't know what you're looking for. That's what I'm saying. There's a seasoned one, and that shit is like, we just got in here 1 second ago. How could we?
You just walked in. We're buying groceries, guys.
That's cool. I'm taking
We're only gonna be here for like 2 more minutes, and we're out.
That's cool. A couple customers just said, hey, these guys are
We're just getting some fries.
Have a good day, brother. Have a good day.
Pulled mayo,
Straight for the olive oil.
barbecue, bacon mayo. I'm telling you.
Olive oil,
The burger's
man.
gonna be
We
busted.
need sauces. You need sauces for the burgers and the steaks.
Yo, that's a clip.
No. The girls have fucked me up. I was trying to say,
barbecue dildo.
Barbecue dough. But it said dildo. I don't know why. I didn't What's your number? Can you get it? Why not? You gotta work on it?
Yeah, I do.
He's not gonna treat you like how he's gonna treat you though.
He will.
I don't think so.
What does he do for you though?
Everything.
Everything. What is everything though?
Everything for like the past 4 years.
He don't got a dick like him.
He ain't playing. We ain't trying to play the same game. We definitely not trying
Wait, you get the bags or no?
Yeah.
Can I get one bag? Telling me that doesn't make it way easier. Than
Up to the right.
There's another right upstairs. Yeah, right upstairs, and you go straight. There's another one there.
Listen, wait. I do e-commerce and I do mentorship where I help people scale their content, right? Like he's recording my content. He's recording my videographer. But now listen, I do e-commerce where I sell products online. And at the same time,
Bro, he does everything you niggas can do. Just leave it at that, nigga.
crazy one. Where's it at? In the bed?
We've been having a great time. So I got something.
Making burgers and asparagus.
Hells yeah.
Gotta season it. You know what I'm saying? We ain't out here with no seasoning shit. Gotta season that motherfucker. No, you said he has an air fryer.
Pass to Yannicus. He's the next. Both of these. Listen. Yannicus and Shayla, and the next one's up.
Yeah?
I'm telling you.
I'm Randall.
Nigga, you tried to touch my ass. No, I didn't, bro. What are you doing? Chill. Okay, I give up. Yo, with you?
I'm saying, yeah, if you want it specifically medium rare,
Those are the dirty ones. Exactly what I needed right now. You're right.
We came to a steakhouse for Eid with our family for dinner. And let me just say, this is probably the smallest steak I've ever seen in my entire life. Look at it. It's a
Wait,
6
show
ounce.
them the plate
It's a
it
6
came
ounce because I
on.
didn't see the 8 ounce or the 10 ounce. Didn't have one. But look at this.
Is that your 6 or like 30?
Show them yours.
Okay, wait.
Show them yours.
Oh. My bad.
And by the way, this is an 18-year recipe.
18-year-long recipe.
Guys, I'm gonna stop getting bamboozled and coming to these places that I think are tough. I'll
Okay,
rate
wait, do a food rate test.
I'll do a rated out of 10.
Taste
Let's see if
test.
it's worth. I don't know how much it was. It's called, by the way, the steakhouse is called Jacobs and Co.
It's on there, right there. Jacobs
Okay, let's
and...
taste it. This is chimichurri sauce.
Hey, why didn't I get sauce?
I'll share it.
What do you rate it out of 10?
Brother, I could have made this in my backyard.
What do you rate it out of 10? So out of all the steaks you've had a lot of steaks.
Let me be sure. Give me a second.
No, you can have the entire thing.
One last leg. So I gotta try all 3 sauces, so I know I'm not tripping. Last one, guys.
Take a little bit.
This is for it to redeem itself. Look. Okay. The last one with the middle sauce was like a 7. The other sauces were ass. But the steak in itself, not it.
Oh.
It's not it. I ain't gonna hold you. Tastes like I burnt my beef on my pan at home. And I'm gonna be honest, I love food a lot. I love steak a lot. This is the only thing I get when I go outside. Steak, medium rare. Shit is not doing the job, to be honest. Here, I'm gonna rate. You're gonna rate yours now.
Yikes, guys. No, I have to eat mine.
Here, try the sausage.
Okay, so we're gonna taste test it. Bro, they literally like cooked a steak and then I think we both have the same steak and they cut it.
No, medium rare. Oh.
Because
oh,
look, you could see the side.
Yeah, they made a 12 ounce and they cut it. This is not a 12 ounce though, bro. This is like a 4 ounce.
No, because he did say yours would take more time. And then
But it came out together. Why is it taking
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like pigeon.
You've tasted pigeon?
Yeah. It was really salty.
Guys, these are just like black stones. That's not a sauce.
I think it's called chimichurri.
We'll try that sauce first.
I think we're gonna have to get home and order food. Be honest. Tastes kind of. No, I'm not gonna say anything. I want your honest opinion. Okay, brother, it doesn't take that long.
Let me try them all.
Okay. Just do it a little faster. My arm is hurting. By the way, you didn't eat your food?
Cutting. Why is it so hard to cut?
Okay, try the next one. This is a long food review.
Yours was just as long.
Okay, go.
He only complains when he is the photographer with the videographer.
I didn't realize how long it takes. Okay. That was the green sauce, right? Okay, last one.
Okay. Is this the good sauce or the bad
It's
sauce?
not really gonna like it. Try. Okay, rate it out of 10.
The last sauce was like water.
Okay, what do you rate the steak with the sauces?
The steak is very like crispy burnt. I've never had a steak that's burnt.
Okay, so what do you rate it out of 10?
Like it kind of adds to the flavor in an interesting way, but I didn't ask for it. I haven't had a lot of steaks. I don't eat.
Okay,
I don't really
rate it out of
steak a
10.
lot. We'll give it like a good 5.7.
Yeah, I'm thinking like 6.5. Yours looks a lot redder inside though. Mine looks like less red. Yours is like pink.
No, but like barbecue. Like you could taste the barbecue.
Let's finish it?
Yeah.